In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export issues and tickets to Excel and Jira. Whether you're managing an extensive project or simply handling a few tasks, being able to export your data seamlessly into Excel for better manipulation and reporting can be incredibly beneficial. So let's dive into it step by step to make sure you get it right. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Jira. Make sure you're logged in with the correct credentials. Once you're in, you'll notice a dashboard with various project management options and tasks tailored to your needs. Next, move your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a menu. Locate the Filters option. This is crucial because filters allow you to sift through your data and focus on what's most pertinent to you. Click on Filters. After clicking on Filters, a drop-down menu will appear with different options. Navigate to All Work Items. This function is particularly useful if you're managing multiple projects or tickets at once, as it helps you view everything in one consolidated place. Click on All Work Items to ensure you're seeing all the issues and tickets associated with your projects. Now that you have your list of work items displayed, you might want to take a moment to review them to ensure you're exporting the exact data you need. This list is a comprehensive view of all your tracked issues, tasks, and checkpoints within your projects. Once you've confirmed that you're viewing the correct set of data, look over to the right side of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Export. Click on Export to begin the process of transferring your data to Excel. Upon clicking Export, you'll be presented with several export options. Jira typically offers various formats, but for our purpose today, we're focusing on exporting to Excel. You might have options like exporting as an Excel CSV or another format that best suits Microsoft Excel compatibility. Make sure to choose the specific type you wish to export. Finally, click on the chosen export option. Your data will be processed, and shortly thereafter, you'll see a download of your selected export begin automatically. Depending on the size and nature of your data, the download duration can vary, but generally it's a fairly quick process. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your issues and tickets from Jira to Excel. With your data now in Excel, you're free to analyze it further, create reports, or share it as you see fit. This capability makes project management a breeze by providing the flexibility you need for data organization and presentation. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.